Hi everyone, these are the normal types of problems, or the problems which are not so basic in math, so about using greatest common factor and least common multiple. So this is an example that we solved in the class. So I changed some numbers in here. I made it another question. Let's see it with different kind of numbers. So here we have a field like 150 meter, 240 meter, and we will divide it into square sections. Find the minimum number of squares. So I prepared a rectangle in here, which is one side is 150, this side is meters, and this side is 240 meters. So I arranged it into like 15 squares over there and 24 squares over there for you to see better. Look at that. There is a rectangular area or field. We need to make it like square, so we can cut it after each 10 meter. So if I do cut it after each 10 meter, there will be 24 parts over there, and if I cut it after each 10 meter, there will be 15 parts over there. So when you cut them all, when you make them all, there will be square parts in this big field. There will be squared parts, pieces or sections over there like in the question, but there will be too many like that. 15 times 24, which is 200 for 360 parts like that. There will be, and it's too much. So we want to find the minimum number of square. We want to increase this number 10 perhaps into 15. We can make 15 by 15 perhaps, or we can make 20 by 20, or 30 by 30, or 40 by 40. We need to make this number 10 as large as possible so we can get less number of squares. That's why we try to find the greatest common factor of 150 and 240. So 150, 240, when there are zeros, we can start with 10. It's going to be 15 and 24 and 10. Change them both. Then I continue with 2, since 24 is divisible by 2. It's going to be 12 by 2 again, 6 by 2 again, 3. Till this step I will keep copying 15, the same. So the 2 is changing only this part, not 15. Now I can continue by 3. It's going to be 1 and 5, and change the both of them, 5, 1 and 1. So the greatest common factor is 10 times 3, which is 30. That means since I made them 10, like after 3 squares 30 meter, I'm cutting it. After 3 squares 30 meter, I'm cutting it. 30 meter, I am cutting it, and 30 meter, I am cutting it. Well, how many parts will I have in here? 240 divided by 30, there will be 8. There will be 8 parts like that over there. So in here it was 150, so 150 divided by 30, there will be 5 parts. So 10, 10, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts will be here, 5 parts. So then how many squares will they form? How many squares? Like 30 to 30, 30 to 30. So which is going to be 5 parts in here, 8 parts over there. 5 times 8, there will be 40 squares, which is 30 meters to 30 meters. That's the least number of squares.